Okay, so this is Vicky, who's just come to do the first day on the permanent makeup startup course with Katy. So Vicky, you what do you do at the moment, out of interest?
So I'm a dental hygienist and therapist.
Okay, you've been doing that for a while, haven't you?
About 10 years, and then prior to that I was a dental nurse, so
right,
in the
okay.
industry for 20 years.
Wow.
So it's now time for a change.
Excellent, okay, so you've been doing that for a long time,
Yeah.
and what made you think about potentially permanent makeup then?
I think just fancied a change of career, not been happy with dentistry for a while. There's new laws, legislations, and
Lots of paperwork.
and actually it detracts from what you actually want to be doing, which is working with the people. So
Yeah.
yeah, and I'm quite creative and just looked into this and it seemed to be the right thing to do.
I suppose you're used to working close with people and that
yeah,
as well.
That's the other thing. So that is a help, I think. Definitely.
Okay, excellent. And then you obviously did a little bit of research. So how did you sort of come across us, or how did you decide to train here as opposed to maybe anywhere else?
So I saw it on the internet. I've also seen the TV programme.
Oh right, yeah.
And I have to be honest, after looking into, just reading up on the information that you provide, I didn't even look anywhere else.
Oh right, that's always nice. It's good to do lots of research,
yeah,
but then otherwise...
actually it was, sold straight away.
Okay.
I listened to the other girls, sort of the conversations you'd had with them.
Yeah.
It just seemed to be the right thing to do. I think the one-to-one is the key, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think you definitely learn more that way.
Exactly, and obviously you've just done the first day with Katy.
Yeah.
So, and you've been doing some brows on the plait skins and dummy heads and that side of things. So how's that been going?
Do you know, actually, quite nervous this morning, but by the end of it, I'm feeling quite quietly confident.
Excellent.
Yeah, no, it's been good fun actually. Katy made me feel really at ease, feel really relaxed about it now. So yeah, excited about doing it on the real deal.
Exactly. So yeah, we've got lots of real clients lined up later in the week.
Yep.
And you've done lots of brows today. You've been doing sort of a bit of a mixture, getting to know Katy and finding out where you want to go with the career and that stuff.
Yeah, and that's been helpful. Obviously, being able to chat because it's one-to-one. You're not in a room with 10 other people, so you can have a chat while you're doing the work, which is really helpful. So it's not just about the practical skills; it's about running the business and everything else. Which has been really helpful. And
I suppose being a dental nurse, dental hygienist, and what have you, that's been working for someone else effectively. They've been getting the clients.
Yeah,
so
I mean, I'm self-employed, but that was the other thing. I'm self-employed, but I feel like I'm kind of employed, so I'm not really getting the benefits of being self-employed.
Yeah.
So that this is a new kind of concept to me of having to get my own clients.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was definitely helpful chatting to yourself and Katy about that.
Yeah, and we'll go into a bit more about it tomorrow.
So great, thank you.
Excellent, no problem. Well, have a great evening, Vicky, and we'll look forward to catching you bright and early in the morning. No problem.